Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Phoebe and Zani are current and reachable on the same network. Install updates, then sign in and grant necessary permissions so devices can pair. Once done, assign clear roles, for example, Phoebe as the controller and Zani as the responder, so commands route correctly. Make sure to name each unit and check that LEDs or status indicators confirm connectivity. This prevents confusion when you move to initial calibration and pairing. Now you pair and calibrate. From Phoebe, open the pair menu and either enter Zani's ID or scan its QR code. This establishes a secure connection. After pairing, run calibration routines, sensors, microphones, or motors because accurate calibration prevents drift and misbehavior. Once calibration finishes, test with simple commands like ping, sync time, and one basic action so you can observe responses. If responses are inconsistent, repeat calibration or inspect signal strength to diagnose the cause. Finish by saving configurations and locking profiles so Phoebe and Zani remember roles and preferences. Enable auto reconnect and schedule periodic backups to avoid lost settings. Next, run a full workflow end-to-end while you monitor logs and performance metrics to catch subtle issues. If something goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting step. Reboot both units, inspect logs for the first failing event, and repair only if the connection still fails. Doing these final checks ensures reliable day-to-day operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.